Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my first official grocery haul for my new apartment. I've actually been watching videos like this non-stop just to get ideas for like different things I might need. I've been making a list on my phone, making sure I don't forget anything. There are a couple things that I didn't buy just because I still don't have like pots and pans and stuff and I don't want it to go bad. So there's a couple of things I haven't purchased yet, but I thought it'd be fun to do a little grocery haul and show you guys what I got. So let's go ahead and get started. So I went grocery shopping at Walmart. I feel like it's the most inexpensive place. I always switch between Publix and Walmart. If you're not in Florida, I don't think you have Publix, and if you don't have it, you're missing out, especially the Publix subs. But I actually decided to go to Walmart just because everything's a lot cheaper. The first thing I got are these white chunk macadamia cookies. I love macadamia cookies. They're like my favorite. I'm obsessed. This is like a mix, okay? There's healthy stuff, there's unhealthy stuff. So this is an unhealthy item, but it's okay. All right, next up, I got salt. Himalayan pink salt, and it already comes in like a little grinder. Onion powder, because when I'm lazy to like chop up onions, I just use this. Or when I'm making rice, I'll like put this in the rice. It tastes really good. So this is just basic onion powder, and it's the Great Value Walmart brand. Next up, I got pepper. It's from the brand McCormick, just like the salt. Again, it comes in a little grinder, so it's easy. I got some cold extracted extra virgin olive oil. It's again by the Great Value brand. I think this is a Walmart brand. It's organic. It says organic on there, but I really like the bottle, and I think it's a lot healthier to cook with olive oil instead of corn oil or vegetable oil. Next, I got some mayo with olive oil. I honestly don't eat a lot of mayo, but I figured it's good to have. You know, you never know. I'm kidding. I do like mayo with like tuna. I also got pickles, which is super weird, you guys. I hated pickles growing up. I hated it. Every time we would go to McDonald's, I would get a double cheeseburger, no pickles, no onions. But now, I don't know, I guess your palate changes once you get older. So I got these. I'm hoping these are the ones I like. Next, I got some yogurt, French style yogurt. It's called Oui by Yoplait. It's just peach. It tastes really good. It has like the peach stuff at the bottom. It comes in like these cute little glass containers. I love reusing glass stuff like this. I don't know, I feel like it could be a good drawer storage or something. Good yogurt, and I could use this for storage. Am I crazy? I don't know. Next up, I have bagels. These are pre-sliced plain bagels, again from Great Value, you guys. I'm a saver. I like to save. Literally, if it tastes the same, I'm always gonna get the generic brand. Unless it's like something that I love and I know that a certain brand makes it the best, then I'll buy that. But if it's like basic stuff like bagels, I usually get the generic brand. If I'm at Publix, I'll get the Publix brand. If I'm at Walmart, I'll get the Walmart brand. I don't know, I get like the generic stuff. I got vodka sauce for like pasta or whatever. This is from Bertolli. I have tried it like at restaurants. I've never bought it to make it at home, so I want to try it. I want to see what this tastes like. I also got Prego, the roasted garlic parmesan. I love pasta. It's literally my favorite food, so I feel like that's something I should have on hand. A lot of these things are like stuff I'm buying for the first time, like salt, pepper, condiments, oil, just basic things everyone has in their kitchen. You guys are gonna laugh at me. I know it's weird because I'm an adult and usually this is for kids, but I really like SpaghettiOs. When I don't feel like cooking, I'll eat something like this. I'm obsessed with it. It's really good. It's like tomato soup and SpaghettiO pastas. I don't know. I know this is for kids. It even says healthy kids entree, but leave me alone, okay? I'm gonna eat my SpaghettiOs because I like my SpaghettiOs. Next, I got some agave. This is just like a sweetener. Instead of using sugar, agave is a lot healthier for you. If I make like oatmeal, I'll like drizzle this on top, or you can even use it as syrup for your pancakes. I got this Campbell's vegetarian vegetable soup, again for days that I don't feel like cooking and I just want to do a quick thing. I also got some bread, Martin's potato bread. Leave me a comment down below which kind of bread is your favorite. I want to start trying like different kinds. What's this bread that everyone always talks about? Sourdough. I want to try that. Next up, I got some pasta. This is bow tie pasta. I love pasta. I feel like this is a lot easier to eat than spaghetti. It's not as messy. You know, you get to slurp up spaghetti. This is just easier. I got Kraft mac and cheese. I'm starting to notice that my grocery haul looks like I have kids and I'm like buying things for kids. But you guys, this is good when I don't want to cook. You already know I have some ramen noodles. These are so good. Again, on days you don't want to cook. I love ramen noodles. How many did I get? I think I got like 4. They're like 30 cents. I know that I said spaghetti is kind of messy, but I still like it and I'll still eat it. So I got some spaghetti. I've seen angel hair and just regular spaghetti, but I didn't know that there was like an in-between size called thin. So I'm gonna try it. You already know my Hispanic side. Gotta have some rice and beans. So I got some rice. This is the Walmart brand. Rice is rice. I doubt there'll be a difference in flavor. It's just the way you season it. Next up, I got some peas. These are just from Del Monte. Fresh cut sweet peas. I'm gonna try and incorporate vegetables like this into like different things. For example, mixing this with tuna and mayo and stuff. Kind of get a vegetable in there. I like peas though. I like the way they taste. I got some Pam. This is like a non-stick spray. I usually get the original, but I saw this one that's avocado oil, so I figured I'd try it. I got some hot dog buns. I realized that I got a got a lot of like bread stuff, and I'm hoping it doesn't go bad. I can't eat all of this by myself that fast. That's something that I've struggled with. Food goes bad too fast and I don't have time to eat it all, so I hope that doesn't happen. I also got some flour tortillas, some ketchup, again the Walmart brand. Ketchup tastes like ketchup. I don't think there's a difference. Next up, I have my favorite seasoning ever, you guys. Every time I cook, I put this on everything. I'm obsessed with it. It's so good. I can't cook without this. I love it so much. This is garlic salt, and specifically this brand, Lawry's. Like, you see, when it's like a brand that I know they make it better, I stick with it. So this is the garlic salt from Lawry's. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right. I literally put this on everything. It's so good. I just feel like it makes everything taste so much better. I feel like this is the only seasoning I need if I'm cooking something. It's really good. I love it. Next, I got some jelly. I was debating getting like the squeezy tube jelly, but kind of like the whole glass bottle thing. Again, with the packaging. Me and packaging is like it's a whole thing. I like to just reuse glass jars like this. So I got this one, even though I do think squeezy tube is a lot easier to like spread and stuff, but I'll just use a spoon. I feel like it's easier than using like a knife, like a butter knife. That's how I used to spread my jelly, but you guys, I think using a spoon is a lot easier. Next, I got 4 cans of tuna. Let's make some tuna dip or something. This is the chunk light tuna in water. I really like this Walmart brand of tuna. Next, I got some black beans. These are just seasoned black beans. Some more soup. This is the chicken noodle Campbell soup. More SpaghettiOs. More mac and cheese. More pasta. This is rotini pasta. It comes with like all the different colors of noodles. I got more spaghetti. Basic spaghetti. This is the regular size. The traditional spaghetti. I got cereal, frosted flakes, some tea, honey, vanilla, chamomile from the Celestial Seasonings brand. It's herbal tea, caffeine free. I don't know, I really like the way this tastes, especially if you put almond milk in it. And agave, so good. Lemons or limes? These are limes. More SpaghettiOs. I feel like I'm gonna get like made fun of because of my SpaghettiO obsession. Black beans. I got some more salt. So this is the salt I'll use more for cooking. And then this salt is for just like on top once things are already cooked. And this is for actually cooking. This is the Morton iodized salt. Next up, I got some mini Baby Bell cheeses just for like when I'm hungry and I want a quick snack. I like these. Quaker oatmeal, instant oatmeal. This is the one that comes with 3 different flavors: apples and cinnamon, maple and brown sugar, and cinnamon and spice. I got some applesauce. I feel like my grocery haul is not that healthy, but it's because I haven't like gotten everything, again because I don't have like all of my cookware, so I don't want to get anything that's gonna go bad. I also got the Bolt House Farms green goodness. It's like a green juice, green smoothie, really good. I also got almond milk. This is my favorite almond milk, you guys. Almond Breeze almond milk. The original is my favorite. I feel like I've tried other almond milks and they're just too almondy. Like, I don't know, it's too nutty. This is like just right. I love this one. I also got some butter. This is the, I can't believe it's not butter. It's vegan. This is vegan butter. It tastes just like butter. It's super good. I'm not vegan, but I do like to try and make vegan choices when I can. If I see something that literally tastes the exact same and one's vegan and one's not, I'll usually go for like the vegan option. Next, I got some frozen broccoli. I have these like frozen meals. This is from the brand Main Street Kitchen. It's fettuccine alfredo with broccoli. I have Michelinas, I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's beef and peppers. This one's 3 cheese ziti with meat sauce, and this one is garlic chicken. This is literally what I plan to eat until my cookware comes in. I almost forgot, I also have some orange juice. I love orange juice, especially for breakfast. Some cheese, mild cheddar cheese, Oscar Mayer turkey sausages for hot dogs or even just for breakfast. You guys, I love cream cheese. I couldn't decide between this one, which is the original cream cheese, or the strawberry cream cheese. I love both, but I ended up getting this one. I love it with bagels, you know. Anyway, I think this is it. I think that's all of the groceries I got today. If there's anything I missed that you guys think I need to have in my kitchen, leave it down below in the comments, because I know that I'm probably missing some essentials. So if I did, if there's something you recommend, leave it in the comments below. But yeah, that is it for my grocery haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!